Now, with everything going on with Do Kwon today, Terra Luna Classic has been having a very difficult time gaining in price. It's been stuck around that 28 to 29,000 point per coin range, and Terra Luna Classic looks like we may be waiting for the next catalyst in that burn tax before moving up and I guess regaining those levels that we were once at. But I've had a very interesting question asked a lot today, especially during the live streams, as to, do you think that Do Kwon potentially being arrested will be a catalyst for Terra Luna Classic to move higher? And at first thought, no, I don't think it's going to be much of anything. Do Kwon has moved on from Terra Luna Classic, and he's with 2.0 now, so I don't think it's really going to affect Terra Luna Classic at all. But then as soon as you start to dive in a little bit more, the possibility that, yes, this could actually be another catalyst does jump up, and I want to discuss that route. So if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. I'm here to make 2022 the best year ever. If you haven't clicked that subscribe button, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Join us, become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. And look, if you're brand new to investing, you don't know how or where to buy stocks and crypto, you got a link in the description below for Webull. It is super simple to set up your account. Any deposit, you guys are getting at least 6 free stocks. $1 crypto trades, you're going to get $5 in free crypto. And if you want a crypto exclusive exchange where you can buy and sell Terra Luna Classic, you've got KuCoin down in the description, and they reward you for the more you trade. So the more active you are on that platform, the more you're going to earn. So make sure to check that out if you guys do want to jump into Terra Luna Classic and you're not already. But listen, this is it's a conceptual video, right? Because nobody knows exactly what's going to happen. And I do want to discuss first this arrest warrant. A lot of people on Twitter and YouTube, they're kind of taking it to the next level before it needs to get there, saying that Do Kwon has been arrested, and therefore this is going to happen with Terra Luna Classic. Well, that's not even the case, guys. Do Kwon is currently living in Singapore. I don't know where at. I'm sure very wealthily living in Singapore right now. But the arrest warrant is out of South Korea. And the arrest warrant, it's very interesting that the arrest warrant is for capital markets laws being broken. And that's what I want to discuss here in a minute. But Do Kwon has not been arrested. The arrest warrant has been issued. And in previous interviews, Do Kwon has said that he will be complying with anybody in the law and so on. And I like this answer because it's the exact opposite answer you hear from a lot of people. A lot of people tell you life is short. Do Kwon says life is long. So if he's got to do some jail time, if he's got to go through the court system, hey man, life is long. Let's do let's do our time if we got to do our time, and then enjoy the rest of our life. So very interesting to see how all of this does play out. But let's speculate for a minute and go down a path that, yes, Do Kwon's arrest could, in this scenario, absolutely cause Terra Luna Classic to move higher. Now, we know that the arrest warrant for Do Kwon is issued for capital markets laws. And this is where it becomes interesting for Terra Luna Classic because Terra Luna Classic is not considered a security. It is considered a cryptocurrency. Now, we know that the main argument all over the globe with the SEC specifically is whether or not the government can regulate these cryptocurrencies as securities. Whether or not crypto is a stock or a security or equity in a company. You know, there's a lot of securities out there that are less of a security than, say, a cryptocurrency is. And we're not going to jump too far into this. I don't want to go down some rabbit hole here. But there's a lot of cryptocurrencies out there that allow you voting rights, that allow you dividend rights and airdrops, that allow you to earn as somebody else is doing business and building a company. So it's very strange. And it's a great area, right? That is exactly what we could be seeing with Do Kwon here. Now, if this investigation comes out, and we realize that Do Kwon is the reason, this is speculation, that Do Kwon is the reason Terra Luna Classic fell in the first place. If Do Kwon was doing some sort of an illegal activity and that caused UST to become depegged, and UST becoming depegged caused Terra Luna Classic to fall in price. And of course, the death spiral that occurred afterwards. If the investigation uncovers that this was Do Kwon's fault, in that scenario, what are we left with? We're left with the fact that, okay, well, if it was Do Kwon's fault, and Do Kwon's no longer involved, maybe we can repeg UST. Maybe we can rebuild this blockchain. Maybe we didn't need Do Kwon. Maybe all of a sudden, all of these maybes become extreme positives for Terra Luna Classic. If the only reason it's trading at 0.0002 or 3 or whatever it's at the time is because of Do Kwon, and Do Kwon is no longer involved in Terra Luna Classic, we could absolutely burn the supply, rebuild the blockchain, repeg UST, do all of these things to make Terra Luna Classic not only what it once was, but even greater. So in that situation, yes, I absolutely think that Do Kwon's arrest, that the investigation, that all of this could potentially cause Terra Luna Classic to rocket massively higher in price. But let's come back down to reality for a second here. That is a hypothetical situation. What we have right now, and I'm not trying to bring everybody's hopes down or anything, but what we have right now is simply an arrest warrant. Do Kwon is still living comfortably in Singapore. He's probably out eating, well, he's probably not out right now. It's probably the middle of the night or really early in the morning. I was going to say he's probably out eating sushi right now, but no. Who has sushi for breakfast? I don't know if they do that. Regardless, I do think that this is a long period of time before we see anything that results from, or any results in Terra Luna Classic from Do Kwon's arrest or this arrest warrant or anything like that. Nonetheless, guys, I am absolutely still bullish and still positive on Terra Luna Classic. What I think we're dealing with right now is just a little bit of a stagnation between the staking being re-enabled and the burn tax being enabled. Simple as that. People have a very short attention span, way too short, and I don't know what to blame for that, but way too short of an attention span, and Terra Luna Classic is kind of just feeling that pressure right now. No major catalysts on the horizon, and I say on the horizon, it's like 6 days away. That's all we got to wait. It's like 6 days, and people can't wait that long. So, nonetheless, guys, I do see the positivity ahead of us, and if you can wait 6 more days, we're going to have absolutely something to look at and gauge the future of these Terra Luna Classic burns on. I wonder what you guys think. Down in the comments below, let me know your thoughts on whether a situation like that could occur with Do Kwon that could cause Terra Luna Classic to absolutely run higher in price. And of course, if that button right there is still red, make sure to click it, subscribe to the channel, join us, become a bro. We're here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. You guys got ClayBro883 on Twitter and Instagram. You're getting 6 free stocks on Webull, up to 12 free stocks. Do Kwon, it has Terra Luna Classic for you, free Discord, and until the next time, each and every one of you have an awesome day.